We use indefinite pronouns to talk about people or things, but we don't say exactly who or what they are. Look at this example. Let me know if there's anything you want to ask me. Here, the indefinite pronoun is anything. We are not talking about specific information. Because it is anything, it is indefinite. But why do we say indefinite compound pronouns? Well, here's another example. Let me know if there's anyone else we should invite to the seminars. This time we have used anyone instead of anything. We make a compound pronoun by using any with thing, one, where, or body. Anything, anyone, anywhere, and anybody are all indefinite because they don't give us specific information. Let's try a different one. We want to include everybody. Nobody should be excluded. We've used two indefinite compound pronouns in this example, everybody and nobody. Just like in our previous example, we can make different compounds. Everywhere, everyone, everybody, everything, nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere. Oh, and let's not forget something, someone, somebody, and somewhere. Maybe someone would like to begin by introducing themselves. If everybody is ready, I'd like to begin by saying welcome. If there's anything else that anyone would like to add, now is the time. If nobody has any objections, I think that's everything. Let's end the meeting. As you can see, we can do many things with indefinite compound pronouns. You might say you can do anything you want, anytime you want. Nobody can stop you.